Okay, let's go again. Jesper, GM 2293. Try and play positionally, keep things under control. If at all possible. Play for D4. Play D4 here. Right, I'm going to trust them. I'm going to just take the bishop. I'll just take the bishop. The Kxf2 might be asking for trouble on the G file. Or is it? Can I just play that? Get rid of the pawn once and for all. Castles, rook f1. Knight e4, king g1, knight g4, king g1. I think I'm going to go for it. King walk to the king side. Okay. c5 I can drop. I can play bishop e3, that's the disaster. Knight g4. So if I drop c5, I can't get safety. I think that's the key thing. Okay, so piece up, and losing c4 as well. However, knight d5. I don't know. Knight d5. Knight d5 here. Or b3 first. Like bishop g4. So knight d5, queen c4. I got takes and bishop d5. Actually, it's a knight d5, bishop g4. h3 in that position. Actually, maybe bishop e3 is a threat as well. So I've got knight f6 and bishop d5, bishop g4, bishop e3, queen c4, knight f6 and bishop d5. So I'm developing the bishop nicely. There's queen. So queen c4, knight f6 and bishop d5. Bishop e2, queen e2, protecting c4. Looks good. Maybe that's a big lesson not to trust opponents, even if they spend 50 minutes on the move in a one-day game, and just, I think you need to put the resolution of possibilities higher when you check for the resources available. Don't just trust them, but just look for something they might have missed. So no, h3 here looks good. h3. This b4 is any good. I think h3 to get rid of this annoying pin. I'm weakening my king a bit. Getting the nice grab bishop though, worth it. b4. Bishop d2. Just a3. Maybe a3. Just restrict some possibilities here. Threaten b4. b4 here. Just knight c3. Just knight c3. Hold up d5 for a second. Queen e2 and b4. No, queen d2 and b4. Just hold up d5. Queen d2. It's creating some tactical liability on f1. It's solid at the moment. Knight h5 is king h2. Okay. I'm threatening rook f1 and bishop f1, some lines. Well, b4 and b5 just to get the queen off there, and then it goes back to a5 to be annoying. So I don't know. How about g4? g4 rook f2 to threaten bishop f1. Could sack a pawn. Doesn't seem that dangerous. Knight e4 could squash some counterplay, or rook d1. Rook d1 first, where's the queen going? So I want to play knight e4. Then let's go down to knight f5. It's on g3. Oh, rook f5 and rook f5 and g4. Yeah. Where's the rook going? Okay, knight e4. Finally. Counterplay. Reducing move, I hope. Right, so bishop g5 or h6. I would love to get an h6 because I don't know it's going to take that. Okay, rook g1. Right, offering exchange of queens to that maybe. Two advantage, I'm getting queen g4. That's good on e4. Queen g4. I'm getting queen e6, so you can't allow that. Okay. So the king can come to g3 now. The rook can come to c1. I think rook coming to c1 is more important than anything else actually in the moment. He's going to play c6. Anyway, because of d5, that is that one. King g3. I've got 3 pieces for the rook. This is not bad. Okay, can I just take the c7? Okay. Knight d6. So threatening the rook, threatening bishop d5. Play bishop c5 after. Bishop d4, knight f7, taking another rook. I think it's all over. Seconds left. Nice to be a GM Blitz, if nothing else. Okay, just taking bishop c5. Bishops are great. Okay, so king g3. I'm going to get these pawns going. I don't want to allow the other rook in though, so okay, he's waiting for me to crack up now. What's the quick way to do this? Bishop e4. Bishop e4. That's good. That's a bishop f5 here. Let's get a pair of rooks off. Still some time. So who is Jesper? We do command. Lars Carlson. Cool. Hope you enjoyed that. Please leave any comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.